I've been up to, I don't even remember when the last time is that I went live. It probably was maybe around the holidays, or I don't know. I don't know when the last time is I went live on my personal page, but hey girl, hey. Tristan turned 7 last week. Callie will be 1 on May 10th. I FaceTimed them, was it yesterday? They are just as adorable as ever and funny. They keep me cracking up. My two favorite people in the whole world. I can't believe just how much she's grown up in such a short time, just since like the holidays. She's like a whole new person. So I have an amazing skincare deal and opportunity I wanted to come on my personal page and kind of share, because I have not done that in a while. And so one of the things I love about this opportunity is the fact that the starter kits, they change kind of frequently, not monthly, thank God, that would be a bit much, but probably about quarterly. And so I want to tell you about this one because this one is huge. Just a little bit of background. I partnered with Bellame the end of February of last year. I didn't really make it public and start advertising that and start promoting that until sometime in the summer. I had a lot going on, a lot of client work on the marketing side of my business. Not that I don't now, but it was really, some really big projects that took a lot more of my time than my normal marketing projects. And so in that time, since I have partnered with Bellame, the starter kit has changed drastically. Like the starter kit that we have today is like the one that I started with has nothing on what's available now. And that's because a tremendous amount of product has released in the last year. It's almost like, went from just a few products, probably less than 20 to a huge portfolio of product now. And so if you're at all familiar with Bellame, when they launched in 2018, it was just like the 4 core products. And for a good chunk of time, they outperformed their greatest expectations, and those were out of stock for a while. So let's talk about this Luxe starter kit, because this in combination with our buy one bless one is gonna blow your mind. Okay, so first let me just explain to you that the skincare is clinical grade, meaning it's made in a pharmaceutical lab, that it has pharmaceutical grade ingredients. So you're going to not only get higher amounts of the actives, they're actually going to produce results. We're not going to give you trace amounts like some of the major brands that you know and see advertised on TV. Yet they do this thing called angel dusting, where they just have, it might say they have hyaluronic acid in there, and you're wondering why you're not seeing results. Is because there's a trace amount of hyaluronic acid in the product. And I know this firsthand because I bought some hyaluronic acid serum off of Amazon, of all places, because it was a great deal, and I'm just like slathering it on, and I'm not getting any results, and I could not figure out why. And that's probably why, because they said they had it in there, but just put a little smidgen in there, just enough to legally say that it's in there, but not enough to really get results based on the volume of the bottle and all of that. And so it also is made, in parallel with the European standards. So it's not made with any harsh toxins. It's not made with any harsh chemicals. So no phthalates, no parabens. It is gluten-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. So no bunnies were harmed in the process of formulating and creating these products. And so they're absolutely amazing. My own results, you can see those over on my blog on labelladonnalife.com. The starter kit comes in this amazing, beautiful white luxurious box with the silver embellishments. It's got a magnetic clasp. So of course I saved it. Of course I saved it. And let's talk about what's in here, because it's going to be pretty much our full skincare line. So I've got it opened up here in front of me. So you're going to get our hydrating cleanser, and this is a huge bottle All of the skincare, they say, is 120 uses. For some products, that's going to mean 60 to 90 days before you need to restock it. And others, it can take upwards of 4, 6, or even 7 months in some cases, depending on your frequency of use and how much you are using. Okay, so the cleanser, we've got the serum, which the packaging actually looks a little different now. You actually get more of the serum, like 30% more, and it stayed the price stayed the same. So you get those two. You get the moisturizer. I can't even keep everything in my hands here. And the eye cream, okay? So you get all 4 of those. So you get your full skincare regimen, okay? So, but I'm not done yet. I am not done yet, okay? You get the body wash and the body moisturizer, and these have skincare built in them. They have the baobab oil in there. They have the hyaluronic acid in them. So you get these both in the 8 ounce, and I have behind me the travel, I have one here. And you get both in the travel size, the 1.5 ounce size as well, okay? You also get our night cream, which is called the Dream Luxe Sleeping Mask. This is like a nightcap for your skin. I was talking with a newer customer the other day, following up, seeing how things are going. And she's like, that stuff is amazing. Like, my skin feels so soft. And she pulled somebody on a 3-way call and like, you need to talk to her. If you know anybody who needs help with their skin tone, evening it out and softening their skin, you definitely want to get them in contact with her, because these products are amazing. My most skeptical customer that I just knew it was probably going to be like a one-time customer, she's like, oh my God, that cleanser is unlike anything I have ever used before. It's so creamy. I love it. It feels good on my skin. So these products are all about luxury. This has chamomile in it. It has resveratrol, which is a wine extract. It's got vitamin C esters. All over my social media, there's information about this, including I did the apple test, where you put the apple on the cream on one side of the apple, you cut it in half, and the other side you kind of do as the control, and you can see how this really slows down aging. This is your anti-aging, anti-wrinkle defense night cream. It's going to work with your body's cell regeneration process overnight to help repair damage from overnight. It's going to deep cleanse your pores. It's just everything. This is hot. Okay, this is my favorite product, which is why I can't stop talking about it. Okay, we also have lip care. So we've got our lemon sugar lip scrub. Everything has baobab oil in there. That is an amazing anti-aging antioxidant, very rich in vitamins and minerals. Oil that comes from the seed of the nut of the tree of life over in Africa. And I mean, do I need to say anything else? I've been getting so many compliments on my makeup and skin lately, and this is why. So it smells very lemony. It's got lemon peel in there. It's got the sugar, the baobab oil, very moisturizing and a very gentle exfoliator on your lips. And then we have the lip mask. I actually use this more like a lip balm. Like, I use it throughout the day on days where I don't wear lipstick or lip gloss. You can put it on morning or night and leave it on overnight. Absolutely amazing. This is one I lost one momentarily, and like I tore everything up looking for it, because I was like, I need that. And so this is one that I keep extras of for myself. You also get our new quartz facial roller. I'm reaching here for it. I forgot to put it in the box. Our new quartz facial roller. And this thing, I love it. Like, you don't even have to refrigerate it. Like, I'm feeling it right now, and it's cool to the touch. It really helps with the lymphatic system drainage, toning your skin, and it works really well with not only the serum, but also our hydrating mask set. So there are 7 of these. I can't believe what these are priced at individually for the box and outside of the starter kit, like compared to what I paid for other sheet masks that were like of the clinical grade quality. These are amazing. There's 7 different varieties. There's hyaluronic acid, collagen, Aqua Boost, aloe vera, green tea, royal jelly, and red ginseng. And these are not just sheet masks. These are Korean sheet masks. We all know that Korea has the best skincare, especially when it comes to sheet masks. And these are made in Korea, okay? And so it works really well with the rose quartz roller, along with the serum. And the facial oil is another product that is great to use the quartz roller over. So this everything I've said comes in your starter kit should you choose the Luxe Skincare, because there are a few different options, okay? Looking to see. Okay, so with the body washes, you also get a loofah, you get the spa headband, you get the quartz roller. I think I've gone through everything. That is everything, right? It's valued at over $600 worth of product. The sticker price for the starter kit is only $448, so it's a tremendous savings. And here's the thing. You can buy one and you can bless one, okay? So I actually have a buy one, bless one coupon code, and I am searching high and low for someone to bless with this coupon code, because what it's going to do, the $448 price for the starter kit includes our digital starter kit, which is your website, and it's the only fee you're ever going to pay to have your Bellame business. Basically, I have a coupon code that covers that $49 and brings all of this skincare down to only $3.99. So let's talk just really briefly about the opportunity. I have information on thebelladonnalife.com, and as well as numerous videos out there that go in depth on the opportunity. But I just want to share a few things with you, okay? First, when you get your starter kit, you can add on additional product at a 35% discount, okay? So if there's any of the color cosmetics, or if you already know that you want, some extras of a few things because you might be a hoarder like me, or that you already know that, hey, I know this person will likely buy this and you want to buy it ahead of time to have it on hand to sell to them, you can do that for a one-time discount of 35%. That is at enrollment only. After that, it goes back to the standard 25% for partners. It also gives you a 20% discount on sales tools. So like samples, if you want to have samples for introducing people to your new skincare line, brochures, magnetic boxes, whatever you want, you can add that on for a 20% discount. That is only available at enrollment. Now, we only get that discount at enrollment, okay? And so if you want to add those things, you got to do it at enrollment. If you try to do it afterwards, it ain't going to work, okay? You'll still be able to get them just at, whatever the standard discount normally is. One of the things that I absolutely love about this opportunity is there are no fees, no annual, no admin fees, no renewal fees, no you looking at us fees. You will not get nickeled and dimed to death by way of fees with Bellame. There's no inventory requirement. Everything you see here is because that's the way that I conduct business. I do videos and I demo, right? And I like to keep a set just for demo, but that is not required. That is just me. And I've actually earned a lot of the product and did not actually pay for the product that you see me demoing, or it came free in different kits that the collections that I purchased, for product to replace product that I ran out of, and it came with something free, and it's like, okay, yeah, that goes in my demo stash, the thing that came free. Okay, there are no auto ship requirements. That is huge. It's absolutely huge. Don't worry, we do have a way for you to stabilize your income in your business with auto ships, but it's by choice. It is not required, right? This is a compensation plan that is designed to pay you, and it's designed to pay you to either retail the product or to build and mentor and lead a team, or do both like I do. So you get to choose. And the great thing about if you just choose to sell the product, you are not penalized. Your mentor is not penalized. You can still rank and you can still earn destination trips. Like I am tracking very well to earn the Cancun trip in October. Okay. There's no sales requirements for your first year. The first year is all about you learning the business, learning the products, and building and meshing with your team. Then after that, it's only $99 every 3 months. And that is basically a cleanse and renew duo. That is the cleanser and the moisturizer. Okay. And you should, after 1 year, have one customer, because people are going to be looking at you. They're going to be looking at your face, and they're going to want to know what you're doing differently. And you can tell them, and just by sharing it, you should be able to get at least one customer in that first year that will be on at least a 60 or 90-day replenishment, auto replenishment through our Beauty Passport program that will take care of that $99 for you. This company does everything to help you be successful. It is not a compensation plan where you have to stand on one leg, bark like a dog, howl at the moon, say your ABCs backwards, and then recite the Pledge of Allegiance in Spanish in order to maybe get paid. No, it's designed to pay you, and I absolutely love that. There is a 3-month quick start with unlimited $100 bonuses, and there's also at least $71,000 in unlimited title bonuses. So the plan is really, truly, simply about you getting to our leadership rank and then teaching other people to get the leadership rank, and then they teach their people to get the leadership rank, and everybody gets paid. It's very simple, and it does not require a huge team. It does not require huge auto ships. It does not require people constantly failing and then having to buy in order for the system to sustain itself, because that's what a lot of these compensation plans do. So if you are looking to start an online business working from home where you do not have to spend any more additional time away from the places that you love, the people that you love, and doing what you love, just simply sharing something that you should be doing anyway, which is cleansing and moisturizing your face, you definitely should comment below or inbox me so that I can get you some information. And when you're ready, we have until May 14th to buy one, bless one. Also, with the buy one, bless one, once you become a partner, within 24 hours, you too will receive a buy one, bless one. So you tell me what other company, not your mentor or coach or leader or upline, is helping you to get your first person on your team. You tell me what other company is out there that's going to give you a code to help give the business away to someone so that you can start building your team. And remember, you do not have to build a team. Okay, you can actually rank, get commission. So many people on my team have been surprised at their first paycheck. Not so much because of the amount, but because they got one and that they got it so fast. They're just like, how did that happen? Like, even myself, it was like, but I don't have like a bunch of people on my team yet. I think I might have even had one person on my team. I might not have even had anybody on my team. And that first email telling me I got a check was like, wow, okay. It really kind of built that belief. So definitely contact me ASAP for that buy one, bless one. I don't anticipate having that very long. And we will get you started with the Luxe skincare set. You'll have all the skincare you ever need. Oh, I forgot something that comes in the kit. Our new charcoal toner, because it was off to the side, not in the box. Our new charcoal toner comes in the kit. I mean, look at that packaging. It's got charcoal powder in there, and you shake it up and that activates it. It's got peppermint oil and eucalyptus oil. So it also deodorizes the room when you use it. These products are like hands down amazing. I have not had any returns or anything like that in the last year, and all of the products are actually backed by a 45-day money-back guarantee and a double-blind clinical study where within 7 days people are noticing changes in their skin. So that is it. I got the 15-minute warning for my next Zoom. I will chat with y'all later. Bye.